Boost your immunity this winter with a simple morning shot. As winter descends upon us, bringing with it cozy nights and festive cheer, it also ushers in the season of colds, flu, and low energy. The key to combating these seasonal ailments lies in bolstering our immune system. This winter, embrace a powerful ally in your wellness routine, a simple morning immunity shot. Quick and easy to make, this potent elixir is crafted from ingredients you likely already have at home, providing your body with the nourishment it needs to fend off winter illnesses and maintain your energy levels. Here's how to make this immunity shot and the incredible benefits of each ingredient. The power of the immunity shot. This immunity shot is a dynamic blend of oranges, lemons, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, honey, and black pepper. Each of these ingredients contributes unique health benefits, making the shot a formidable booster for your immune system. Let's delve into the role of each component and how they work together to enhance your health. Orange, the vitamin C champion. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which is vital for a robust immune system. A study published in the journal Frontiers of Immunology found that orange juice can significantly reduce inflammation, an important factor in fighting infections. Vitamin C promotes the production of white blood cells, which are essential for combating pathogens. Additionally, the tangy sweet flavor of oranges adds a refreshing taste to the shot, making it enjoyable to drink. Lemon, detox and digestion. Lemons are another excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Their detoxifying properties help cleanse the body and improve digestion, while their gentle alkalizing effect supports overall pH balance. Lemon juice not only enhances the health benefits of the shot, but also elevates its flavor profile, making it a delightful addition. Ginger, the warming spice. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is perfect for warming you up from the inside during chilly winter mornings. It soothes sore throats, aids digestion, and bolsters your immune defenses. Its spicy kick adds an invigorating element to the immunity shot, ensuring you feel energized and ready to face the day. Turmeric, the golden superfood. Turmeric is a superfood celebrated for its active compound, curcumin, which possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities help combat inflammation and enhance overall immunity. Additionally, turmeric gives the shot a vibrant golden hue, making it visually appealing. Cinnamon, the comforting spice. This aromatic spice does more than just provide warmth. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and possesses antimicrobial properties that can ward off germs. Its comforting flavor enhances the overall taste of the shot, ensuring it's not only healthy, but also delicious. Honey, nature's sweetener. Honey, known for its antibacterial properties and rich antioxidant content, is a natural sweetener that soothes sore throats and balances the tangy and spicy elements of the shot. Its sweetness makes the drink palatable, encouraging you to include it in your morning routine. Black pepper, the secret ingredient. While it may seem like an unusual addition, black pepper plays a crucial role in this immunity shot. It enhances the absorption of curcumin in turmeric, maximizing its benefits. Furthermore, black pepper has antimicrobial properties that help keep infections at bay. How to prepare your immunity shot? Creating this immunity-boosting shot is straightforward and requires minimal ingredients. Here's a step-by-step guide to making it. Ingredients: juice of 1 orange, juice of 1/2 lemon, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, or freshly grated turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of black pepper. Instructions: 1. Squeeze the juice from the orange and lemon into a small bowl or glass. 2. Add the grated ginger and turmeric to the juice. 3. Stir in the honey, cinnamon, and black pepper. 4. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. 5. Strain the mixture into a shot glass, if desired, to remove ginger and turmeric fibers for a smoother texture. 6. Drink it fresh, preferably on an empty stomach, for maximum benefits. 7. If you'd like to save time, consider doubling the batch and storing it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Making immunity shots a winter ritual. Incorporating this immunity shot into your morning routine can serve as a potent tool for maintaining your health throughout the winter months. Not only does it provide a burst of essential nutrients, but it also establishes a mindful ritual that encourages you to prioritize your well-being. As winter brings the risk of colds and flu, taking proactive steps to enhance your immunity can make all the difference. Embrace the power of this simple morning immunity shot and equip your body with the tools it needs to thrive in the colder months. By harnessing the goodness of nature, you can enjoy a healthier, more energetic winter season. Cheers to your health,